In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a lead into an opportunity in Salesforce. To kick things off, we'll start on your Salesforce homepage. This is where everything begins, as it's your central hub for all Salesforce activity. Familiarize yourself with the layout, and let's get ready to dive into today's tutorial. Next, you'll want to navigate to the App Launcher. This is a powerful tool that gives you access to all of the different apps and objects you have at your disposal in Salesforce. By clicking on the App Launcher, you keep the process streamlined and efficient, allowing quick access to the necessary resources. Once you've clicked on the App Launcher, direct your attention to the Leads option. Clicking on Leads will show you a list of potential customers or interested parties that are captured within Salesforce. This is an important step because leads are what typically transform into business opportunities and eventually successful conversions. Now it's time to choose a specific lead that you want to convert. Browse through your list, and once you identify the one you'd like to work with, select it. Picking the right lead is crucial because it determines the next steps in nurturing them into a fruitful opportunity. With your lead selected, click on the Convert button. This action initiates the conversion process where you decide how best to manage your lead moving forward. The conversion interface will guide you smoothly through necessary decisions. The first major decision you need to make when converting a lead is whether to create a new account. Creating a new account is essential when you're dealing with a lead who represents a new customer or business that isn't already in your system. This step ensures that all information related to the lead is appropriately recorded within Salesforce. Alternatively, if the lead is attached to an existing account, select Choose Existing Account. This option helps in avoiding duplicate entries, ensuring your data remains clean and organized. Subsequently, you may need to create a new contact associated with your lead. This means setting up a contact record that details who this lead is on a personal level within a corporate entity. Choose Create New Contact when no past contact records exist. If a contact already exists for this lead, simply choose Existing Contact. This allows continuity and consistency, preserving any previous interactions or data associated with this lead. Now, focus your attention on the Opportunity section. Creating a new opportunity allows you to start fresh with this potential deal. Enter relevant details like products, value, and timeline. Alternatively, if converting the lead does not necessitate an opportunity, select Don't Create an Opportunity upon conversion. Lastly, set the converted status to keep a record of successfully converted leads. This status marks it as effectively closed and transferred into the opportunity pipeline. Once all these details are in place and reviewed, finalize this process by clicking Convert. This final action completes the transition from lead to a new opportunity within Salesforce, setting the stage for further sales and nurturing activities. Congratulations! You've successfully learned how to convert a lead into an opportunity in Salesforce, paving the way for efficient sales management and increased business success.